What's up, guys? How you guys doing? So welcome to this week's edition of Forex Forecast. So today's edition, I'll be going ahead to teach you some things that you probably would have been missing in your trading journey that might have been making you to make a lot of losses in the market, and I'll also go ahead to show you 4 currency pairs, 4 amazing setups that will make you a lot of money this week. So let's dive right into the chart. So let me start with EURUSD. So EURUSD is one of the currency pairs I have my eyes on. Last week on Thursday, I taught you guys that if you are looking at the currency pair, only pay attention to the major and the minor support and resistance zones, because one of the mistakes that traders make is that they pay attention, they take minor support and resistance zones as serious as major support and resistance zone, which should not be so. Only pay attention to the major resistance zones and the minor and the major resistance and support zones. Okay, so that said, let me show you guys something on EURUSD. So we are seeing that EURUSD is slowly going back into an uptrend. From what we are seeing, we're not having higher highs and higher lows, which is significant for an uptrend. So it has been on a downtrend all the way down from here down to this point, but right now this market seems to be giving us higher highs and higher lows, as we are seeing on a daily time frame, which is indicative for an uptrend. So last week, after the NFP, I told you guys I was not going to be trading very much last week, which I didn't trade much last week. So we're seeing that the uptrend has actually been established on the daily time frame. On the 4-hour time frame, we are also going to be seeing that that is actually also the case. We have higher highs and we have higher lows. Now, last week, the market formed this very significant support level, which is also a key level because it has been tested multiple times in the past as support and also a resistance. It was a resistance here, and is now a support right here. So I'm seeing that this market has actually bounced off from that zone twice on the 1-hour time frame. In fact, it's actually 3 times on the 1-hour time frame, and I'm seeing also that this market has done something that looks like a liquidity grab, first here and then the second one right here. Although it didn't dig deep into the liquidity, but I think that this market has sufficient liquidity to push us all the way all the way up. So on the 4-hour time frame, I'll actually be following this up and looking for a buying opportunity. It looks like the buying opportunity is already ripe from what I'm seeing on a 4-hour time frame, and also the liquidity grab I showed you guys on a 1-hour time frame. So from that, we are possibly going to see this market pushing all the way up. If you'd love to actually trade this with me, your stop loss will probably do a 40 pips stop loss, considering ATR on the 4-hour time frame is actually 22 pips for and this can actually give us a very decent 1:6 risk to reward. If we're able to break above this level, then we might see this market continue rallying all the way up and probably give us the next target, which is like 1:4. The next target is probably somewhere here. This will probably be the next target, which is a very decent 1:4 risk to reward. Okay, so it's something to pay attention. This will probably be my first trade for the week, all things being equal, and if there's no market gap on Monday morning. Okay, so this is my buyers on EURUSD, and like I mentioned, please only pay attention to major support and resistance zones. All of the minor support and resistance zones are probably just noise in the market, and you should not get yourself caught in the middle. Okay, so let's jump over to GBPCHF. GBPCHF is another currency pair that I am hoping would make us a lot of money this week. So 2 weeks ago, we saw this market break this long-term support level and we saw it break down to the downside, and the market has come back to that zone, tapped into the liquidity, and we see a fall happening right here. So I'm very hopeful that what will likely happen in the coming weeks is just this market slowly grinding its way down again back to this particular level. Okay, so what I'm hoping right now is on a 4-hour time frame to wait for a retest. I'll probably use a moving average to just trail this as it's going down. I'll just wait for this market to probably just keep bouncing bouncing on the moving average as the moving average just keeps going down. So this one I'm actually expecting on the GBPCHF is a very, very amazing and unique opportunity for us next week. So you might probably decide to use a 1-hour time frame, wait for the market to retest this level right here, or probably touch the moving average again, then wait for a bounce off that level which is very, very possible. So we might get this market tap this resistance level, probably maybe do a liquidity grab. That's possible. Doesn't look like it's going to do that, but it might, and the market might just keep tanking all the way down from there. Okay, so that's my bias on GBPCHF. It's something that you should pay attention on. Okay, then let's go over to USDCHF. USDCHF is another amazing currency pair that I'm very hopeful that will make us a lot of money next week. Okay, so this week, right? So on USDCHF, let me take these things out of the way and take away the moving average too. So on USDCHF, we are seeing that this market looks like it's about to resume a downtrend. Of course, you guys know that this is a negatively correlated currency pair to the EURUSD, which I showed you guys a few minutes ago. So the market has been on an uptrend, negatively correlated to the EURUSD, which has been on a downtrend, which is now resuming an uptrend. So I'm very much hopeful that this downtrend will, probably be continue, because we now have a high, a low, a lower high, and probably the market is coming down to give us a lower low. Okay, so I'm hoping that this market continues tanking sometime this week. And on a 1 hour time frame, I think I saw something that looks like a liquidity grab, and also we have a double top right here, one here, second time here, and we'll have the market drop, retested, not quite at the initial resistance level, and the market is actually falling from there. So I'm hoping that this market will probably retest this zone and then fall again. So this is my area of reference. This zone right here is actually my area of reference somewhere here. I'm hoping that the market actually comes back to tap into the liquidity pool above this place and then give me a very decent entry somewhere here, so that I can actually start selling right here. Okay, so that's what I'm actually expecting on USDCHF. Keep your eyes on USDCHF. A lot of money will probably be made on USDCHF together as a community. Okay, so let's move over to NZD-JPY. So before I start analyzing NZD-JPY, if you're yet to subscribe to this channel, I do this every single week. I come on here week in, week out. This is probably like the 43rd or maybe 44th episode of the weekly forex forecast. I do this every single week. I come on here on Saturdays, Sundays to give you guys heads up about what is expected to happen in the market, and also on Monday mornings I come on here to trade with you guys live. So I'll be live here again on Monday morning, and also be live here with you guys on Thursday morning to trade with you guys live and make money with you guys live on this channel. So make sure you're subscribed, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and make sure you do not miss any of our live sessions. Okay, so that said, let's go into NZD-JPY. Let me tell you guys what you expect on NZD-JPY. So on the daily time frame, we are clearly seeing on the daily time frame that this market has touched, I think this is a multi-year high. This is actually a multi-year high that the market had touched last week, as we can clearly see. Now this is the top right here. So we have this top multi-year high right here, and the market, let me do that very well. Good. So we have this multi-year high that the market touched sometime last week, and we can see that we have it seems to have touched into the liquidity, and it's actually started tanking from there. Now this is a very, very, very dicey market, and I would love you to pay attention to what I actually want to say right here, so you don't make mistakes. Now, as you can see, there are two zones of immediate liquidity that we can see, which is this one line above this resistance, and we also have one line above this support right here. Now, one of the things that confuses and messes a lot of traders up is that they do not wait for confirmation to know which of the liquidity that the market wants to tap into in order to actually decide a direction to actually go. So they actually take the one that is they assume that the market actually wants to use to move a particular direction. So this is where you really have to wait for a confirmation, because this market has the potential to actually go back to this 90.15 zone to actually tap into this liquidity again and retest this multi-year high. But it also has the potential to actually break below this support zone right here and give us a breakdown to the downside. So what I'll typically be waiting for this market is to see what the market wants to do when it goes, taps into this resistance support zone, or when it taps into this resistance zone right here, or this support zone. Okay, so if this market is able to go above this, probably maybe retest, then we might probably see this market probably breaking and giving us a new multi-year record high on this particular currency pair. But if this market decides to break below this resistance zone, below this support zone, sorry, and we get a break and close below this and probably a range below it, then this market might just tank all the way down. So this market, you probably just need to sit on your hands and wait to see what happens, the reaction that the market has at this resistance zone here and at this support zone right here, before you decide what you would actually be doing in this market, so that you don't get caught up in a liquidity grab and become the liquidity and lose your money in the market. Okay, so I'm hoping that this actually helped you guys trading this week, and I'm hoping also that this would actually help you to make better trading decisions and help you to make money this week as an individual and also as a community. So that said, I love you guys. We have a mentorship program that will probably help you. If you're new to Forex, we have a basic mentorship program which is actually free. The link is on the description. If you want to get our free program to learn from scratch what is Forex and how to get started in the Forex, the link is on the description. If you also want to go advanced, you want to make trading in the trading Forex market a career, you actually want to make money from the Forex market as a full-time job or maybe a part-time job, we have a mentorship program that will actually help you a lot. The link is also on the description. Grab that program with your two hands. Let's make money together. Let's build a community together. And also, if you're yet to subscribe right now, I mean, what are you really waiting for? Subscribe to this channel. Let's make money together. So see you guys again on Monday. I'll be back here live on Monday to trade with you guys and also to analyze the market with you guys on Monday morning. So that's it. Have a wonderful week ahead. Cheers.